What's up guys, welcome to my channel Quick A91. Today's video we're going to go over my 2022 Toyota Supra CF Edition in Phantom Gray and some of the modifications and also some of the new modifications and install process and new sponsored products that Armaspeed just sent me. So let's get into the video. So first off guys, we have the Armaspeed carbon fiber M-style mirror caps and the AMS Performance wind deflectors, because we all know that the wind buffeting is so bad. Back to the rear of the vehicle, we have the carbon fiber cutouts from 890 Shop, as well as the Axion rear reflector delete. We have the Armaspeed carbon fiber steering wheel cover. The Armaspeed, we have the Armaspeed center console cover, carbon fiber. And finally, we have the Cusco strut tower brakes. We have the Armaspeed forged carbon paddle shift extensions, courtesy of Armaspeed. I'll leave the link in the description in the comments below. Armaspeed's products are great. High quality, fantastic quality, perfect shipping. The Armaspeed forged carbon paddle shift extensions are an excellent quality. As you can see here, the quality of the forged carbon is absolutely amazing. The only thing I have an issue with is that they don't offer the paddle extensions in a full carbon fiber replacement. It's only forged carbon. They do have the glow-in-the-dark forged carbon, but in my own opinion, I'm not a big forged carbon fan, but these things are still sick. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead and go through the install and show you guys what they look like as a finished product. All right guys, there you have it. Paddles all installed, left hand, right hand. I will be given a update here in a few days on how they feel. I have to go up north about 60-70 miles to get suspension installed tomorrow. And of course, there's going to be a full review on that for the iBox spring lowering kit. So stay tuned for that, as well as the wheel spacers. So guys, here's the Armaspeed mud flaps. They're not like your typical mud flaps like on a Subaru that hangs super low down on the car. These mud flaps are perfectly made of plastic. They're thin, seem high quality, and they say that they bolt right up to the factory location. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do one side. I'm gonna go through the install process with you guys on one side, and then on the other side, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in and show you guys the finished product. So first thing I noticed, guys, is if you're working on, let's say, the right-hand side of the vehicle, which I am, turn your wheel all the way to the right and it gives you more access to these push pins. We're gonna go ahead and do the push pins. Just get on the center, and they come out so simply and so easily. I've seen videos of people putting in ones where they're sitting here pushing like crazy, hard, super hard, and you don't even need to do that. Just give it a little. And what happens is, it totally breaks the pin, no problem. You're not going to be reusing it, and it just falls out. Again, just pops right out. The pieces will fall out from the bottom of the vehicle. It's not a big deal. Expect that. So there we have it. All right, guys, so what you're going to want to do is after you pop out the factory clips, go ahead and pull this back a little bit and slide this behind your factory fender liner. And then go ahead and line up the clips. If we can find the hole on the other one. Okay. So I did find it on the front. If you use a little indentation on your wrench here, it actually makes the job a lot easier. I was trying multiple different things Seemed like the pins kept wanting to bend and break. Luckily nothing broke, it just bent a little bit. But with this, we could easily get it back on center and push it in with ease, so no problems there. Let's go ahead and move on to the rear. As for the rears, guys, it's basically the same. You got 3 nuts here. They are 8mm. Just take yourself a socket and a wrench, get on there, pull those bolts out, and we'll continue on to step 2. What's up, guys? So, as you can see, it's getting windy as crap behind me. The hurricane's coming closer. I went ahead and knocked this out real quick for you guys. One quick note on the rears. The problem was the 8mm bolts came out with ease, but there was problems, of course, getting in the screws. So I ran out to my local Lowe's and I picked up one of these little Craftsman, I don't know what you would actually call it, but a smaller screwdriver, and it went right in with ease. So let me go ahead and give you guys a quick walk around and show you guys how it looks. So from the rear, guys, it definitely sticks out. It should help with rock chips and whatnot. I am getting the car lowered with Ibach Pro kits, and I do have 15mm spacers on the rear. We're going to see how that works with the mud flaps that I installed, if there's any rubbing issues or anything like that for the fronts and the rears. But the rears are there. Coming up to the fronts are the same way. Hopefully there's not going to be any type of, you know, rubbing issues or anything like that. It definitely makes a difference. Here's the other side. Same thing. Not too much of a protrusion, but probably just enough to protect my phantom paint, which hopefully it'll stop all of the rocks and, you know, water splashing and stuff like that. So we will see. In due time, I will keep continuing on an update and stuff like that. So one more thing, guys, I do have another sponsor, R1 Concepts. They deal with brake pads, brake rotors, brake kits, stuff like that. I currently have stock for the rotors for this vehicle, but as soon as they come in stock, they're going to assure me that they're going to send me a set, and we will do an install and a review with those as well, along with their brake pads. I have in the works, hopefully for you guys, I do have in the works a sponsorship through Arc Exhaust coming, which would be epic, which I'm not going to say what it's going to be or what it's going to entail and stuff like that, but hopefully for you guys and for the sake of the channel, everything goes through and Arc Performance jumps on. Hopefully that'll be a major addition to this channel. So once again, guys, if you guys like my content, my channel, just go ahead and make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to leave the link for Armaspeed, the products. I'm going to leave the link for Armaspeed and the products that I installed in my vehicle. They have been awesome with me. Go check them out for any type of your needs. They don't only sell Supra products, but they also sell all sorts of different platforms. They have intakes, they have the mud flaps, they have all sorts of stuff. So make sure you guys go give them a check out and follow their Instagram. And make sure you guys like, follow, and subscribe to this channel. And that's it for now, guys. I'm going to go ahead and hunker down. Flood watch coming. Fires going on over there. California is crazy.